Wouldn't it be great to save time with your lesson plans as an educator where time is of the essence and sometimes it could take a little bit long to research information, put it into the format that you want it to be in order for you to create your lesson plan and just make that whole exercise quicker, more efficient. I'm going to share with you how easy it is to integrate ChatGPT into your daily routines and, in particular, creating a lesson plan. So I'm going to demonstrate to you what I'm going to do with ChatGPT. Right now, I'm going to ask it to create a lesson plan for me, just so you can see it and how quickly it populates. Okay, so I'm going to talk to it right now, and I'll let you in on that bit of exercise. So create a lesson plan for 7th grade science class covering the topic of ecosystems. The plan should include objectives, a warm-up activity, main activities, discussion questions, and a simple homework assignment. Okay, so here is what, okay, let's turn that off. Here is what ChatGPT has created for us. It's still recording me. Let's move all of that. And you can see in seconds, an entire lesson plan was created. So, but let's say we want to summarize this and break it down into smaller chunks. So I'm going to ask the ChatGPT to provide a summary. Okay, so here we go. That was great. Show a summarized example of the lesson plan. So here it is in a split second. We are now having a summarized version of that lesson plan populated. And with the objectives, the material, the lesson plan, everything is done within seconds. Imagine it being you saving hours of time planning while creating detailed and engaging personalized lessons with ease. You can engage the ChatGPT tool and make your work or your time in planning a lesson cut down tremendously with the use of ChatGPT. If you are an educator, this would be a perfect tool to assist you with doing exactly that. There is a special training specifically for educators to show you how you can do that and even more with the ChatGPT AI platform.